Hi guys, welcome to weekly update on wrxusd pairing. In this video, I'm going to teach you how the patterns behave, where we are in the market, and how to analyze the patterns and what we can see, what we can expect from the patterns. Like in this video, I have compared two things with the XRP USDT pairing and the WRX USDT pairing. Both are in the same form. Like XRP USDT pairing is already completed the wave 1 and 2 and wave 3 and 4, so we have taken it as an example to compare with the wrxusd pairing. In my previous videos, I explained a little bit, but in this video, I am going to show the entire detailed things and what we can expect in the future, why it is the bottom, and why is accumulation is going on. If you see this video, you can clearly understand what's going on and what will happen in the future. Let us have a look of it. See, this is the entire completion of the wave 1 and 2 of XRP pairing from 2014 to 2017. Let us have a look. This is the bigger time frame. Let first one thing should be very clear that uh, if you understand the big cycle, you can see the smaller cycle. If you very know the smaller cycles, you can understand the bigger cycle. Like cycles are always repetitive and understandable way, but the main problem is how we understand the things is very crucial thing. If we understand the cycles, uh, I can't even explain what future will be. So I am still in a research kind of thing, how the patterns behave, how the research behave, but whatever I have learned, I want to share you the things. Okay, let us have a glance of it. This is wave 1 and 2, and we are about to complete the wave 2 and we are ready for the wave 3. Let us have a glance of it, whether the similar patterns are there. If you see this, there are different colors in the part of wave 1 and 2. The sub cycles has been mentioned here. The similar way in wave 1 and 2 of XRP, the sub cycles has been mentioned. If you observe this, the small up and down, okay, this is the thing, the same thing happened. After that, it went straight up, the yellow color, and down again. So what happened here? It went up and straight down, and again see this small up and down. Whether it has been happened here? Yes, the small up and down, and entire up, and again the big correction has been happened. If you have this entire up and correction has been happened, if you see the time, understand, you will understand. Next thing is green color. If you observe this, it went up and down. Let us see where it happened. It went up after this time frame. If you see the correction, it went up and down, and small pink color cycle has been there, whether it is there or not. Yes, exactly, it went up and down and went up, and again the big correction. The most of the things which I observed from the past 3 years, the major correction, if at all, like earth rotates itself and revolves around the sun, the same way each pattern has like each altcoin or each token or each commodity or stock has its own pattern and revolves around the sun, like revolves around the entire economy. The same way, like earth revolves around the sun, the each pattern revolves itself and has its own pattern and takes the advantage of the overall pattern, and when both coincides, it will have a blast of it. That means the same way WX has been went for the big correction. Meanwhile, entire altcoin market cap on all the tokens has been consolidated. The same way it went for the big correction. Once, let us have a glance. This is a big picture. Let us have a smaller picture. Once the correction has been completed, it will go for a ride. Let us, if you see whether it has been completed or not, this is a smaller time frame. Okay, XRP USDT, and see, this is a big cycle, and have, like in this final cycle also, I have made it as a sub cycles in different colors. Let us see. This is also, I have made it as a sub cycles. If you observe this, 1 2 3 4 5, the fifth one is the next phase of completion of 2 and ready for the wave 3. Listen to 1 2 3 4. Let us have a see this cycle, how it has been formed. Okay, it went up, like went down, up and down, the same way it went down, up and down. We have completed here, and again went up and down. See here, it went up and down exactly. If you see this sideways, like I can say correction, sideways correction has been, and again it went up. Let us see here, it again went up. It is both having very similarities are there. And again, the entire crash has been taken so much long time. We see the time frame also, how much time it has been corrected, and again how much time, and again this, see the time frame, it almost similar, these time frames also, like correlation, co-integration, I can say. And the big correction has been happened. See this big correction, what happened next? Exactly after the bottom, it went up and sideways accumulation has been happened. This accumulation is done by anybody, I can say, like big whales, mega whales who understand the patterns, who want to like take the advantage of this market cycles. There are very few people who understand the market cycle. Those are the people who became the big whales and millionaires and billionaires. And these are all the algorithms. Algorithm runs based upon the psychological behavior, as well as how the patterns are there, evolve itself between the psychological behavior traders and buyers. That's what I'm going to say. So let us see here very difficult to understand the bottom. For that we have to understand, in my previous video I explained that, let us have a glance of it with the Fibonacci extension also, whether we reach the bottom or not. Okay, let us have a glance of it. Okay, bottom to top, if you take the Fibonacci retracement from bottom to top, okay, this is the Fibonacci retracement. The most retracements will occur at generally at 0.618, 0.702 and 0.786. This has been crossed, this has been crossed, and the final thing, there may be chance that you will go, but here the 0.7 is a very crucial to the major, the very good coins can take the responsibility, like it will trend reversal will occur here. I think this is the most like I cannot say 100% most possible scenario. See, exactly at this point it has been started reversal. So this is the bottom. In my previous video I explained that this is the bottom, and I explained you that there may be chance that we will go for accumulation, and that's what exactly, that is what exactly happened. That is why I feel very bullish on WRX history, not because of any news or anything. The technicals, like news comes after the things happen, but the technical shows before the news. That is what I'm saying. Maybe there's so many news are pending at this point of time, one news at this point of time, second news, like that it will happen. Or maybe at this point also, once the institutionals or big investors ready, after that news comes into the picture. Don't depend upon the news. If you understand the things better, you can get into like it. I will not depend at present scenario, I am not depending upon the news. If at all it happens like this, let me have a glance of it, what I want to show you. See, if you see here, it went up, this yellow color. If you both the things, just observe the things. So let me have a glance of line colors. Okay, see this line colors. 1 second. See the difference between, see, almost both are exactly similar picture. If you see, I'm just showing both the sides. So what happens next? So after this consolidation happened, it will go for the right, very because if you see the momentum, what's going on with Ethereum, what's going on XRP. If you observe my XRP thing, I am continuously like talking with the 0.20, 0.22, 0.23, 0.34, now 0.32, and it's going for 0.5. The same way I can like I feel the momentum here, I feel the pattern here. That makes me very bullish on WRX USDT pairing. Even I want to have some more WRX USDT, WRX token at this point of, once the big candle, see here what happens next. If you observe here, let me have a glance of big candle. If this big candle of like big candle or one within 1 or 2 days, like I am not taking the exact, I don't know how much time it will, like whether it's 1 day, 2 days or 1 week, but once the big huge candle crossing this closing or crossing this point, then it makes me bullish and it can go for the previous ATH. That's what I'm saying continuously from the past few weeks. WRX has a huge things going on. It's a very good it's the number one exchange in the India. These things already know everybody, but everybody feels in the like this is psychological thing, because when the price down everybody feels like this is not doing anything, but background everything is doing it as per the things. The things is the entire like altcoins market is not good. What can make the WRX USDT do things? But as per the market, it has to go the correction. That is the reason it's going for the correction. Once this, now we can see, now we can observe the things. Once the accumulation has been completed, then we can understand. See, even the correction with the altcoins has been happened, this has been accumulated with the stable coin, like that's what exactly happened with the XRP before the mega bull run. See, if once this big bullish candle occurs here from here, then it makes the things happens. Let us have a glance of what MACD is showing right now. Okay, see whether to have a, whether it is showing the same thing which like XRP is trading before the bull run has been happened or not. If you see the correction here, see it entire crash occurred here, entire crash occurred here, and sideways momentum has been occurred, the sideways movement, and it again went up. See here, from here to here it went up, and again crash has been happened. See, it will again went up and crash from the yellow color exactly. In this is the bottom. That's why I'm just checking whether it has been happened. The momentum has been showing the upward momentum. The same thing, the momentum has been showing the, what the thing is, MACD is above the zero line, here is not. That's why I'm saying once the MACD is above the zero line and it is a bullish momentum, big huge candle occurs, that makes the bullish thing on WRXUSDT. Let us wait for a few more, like 1 or 2 days, or let the things begins. Once the huge candle are big, like maybe 10%, 15%. But some people, there is no need also. But just for a traders, I'm saying for the long term investors, I don't think this is a very very good time, and this is not right time to sell. This is the right time to buy, I can say, like just for technical purpose and educational purpose I'm saying. See, once this momentum also showing the same thing, and one more thing we have to observe here, the thing is, it is the like this cycle, this entire accumulation has been occurred exactly in the sideways between the or below this line, the same thing whether it has not it below this line. And one more, like retesting has been occurred here below this line. Let us have a glance. See, the retesting has been occurred here. This, you can say, this is the zone. It has been retesting as well, the resistance zone. The same way, I'm just waiting for the bullish momentum of WRXUSD, the same as you. But what makes the psychological behavior is nothing is going on and the price fall down, everybody fall down. But what makes me that the price fall is that take advantage of buying here and buying here and buying here. For the long term investors, this is the right time to buy and hold it, and for the future terms. Let us, we can, I think from the next video you can, people can easily understand what can happen in the future, maybe within 10 days or 1 week. I don't think so, this price cannot be seen, I think so. Let us have a glance. Even I don't, there might be probably, if at all it goes below this point, there are two candles, one is upwards, one is downwards, and the third is sideways. So according to me, it is already about to complete the accumulation and it can go upwards, as the overall market is very good. Like XRP, Ethereum and BTC has been very high. So altcoin market is good and is going up and up. So there may be chance that huge momentum is going on, and December is a very good zone for the altcoin market cap. That makes me bullish on this coin. And if at all it is a negative case scenario, if at all it's below this 0.786 retracement zone, I'm very like bearish on this coin. But most probable scenario is very bullish. It will go for a like a similar thing, accumulation. And once the accumulation has been completed, it go on as a ride has been. What happen here, XRP, see this thing, big huge candles has been occurred here. That's what makes me feel that the same thing will happen and should occur, that everybody should hope that this should happen and makes everyone in profitable in the market. This is my entire view on WXUSD. If you like my video, please click on the subscribe button and join my telegram channel Patterns Decoder, and follow my telegram channel Patterns Decoder, and join my Twitter account. And I'm not a financial, and the videos in my channel is not a financial advice. I request you due diligence before investing in any cryptocurrency exchange, ICO and IGO. I don't take any responsibility for profit and loss. I will not be liable in any case. Invest only the amount which you afford to lose, as crypto is very high volatility and high risk. This is for purely an educational purpose only. Thank you everyone.